Okay, my over 40 friends, everyone's been asking me for a little more visual proof on what I'm actually doing here in this business in a box. So right here, you'll see that why this is perfect for you. Instantly access your pre-built digital business and blueprint that's been tested for success. Just plug in, connect, and start. It's so true too. You literally just plug in your system, you put your name on it, you basically bring everything up, put your name in all the spaces that need to be, it needs to be there, so your emails go out to the right people and with your name on it, and you get credit for the sale. 100% credit for the sale, by the way. There are no fees, nothing like that. So if you want to make extra income from home but don't know where to start, well, here I am, your friend. This is where you start. Your 9-to-5 job doesn't provide financial security, and you need a better way. 100%. I mean, I got out of the 9-to-5, started my own business because I thought I could do better than my 9-to-5 in helping in my financial future. It wasn't enough still, so that's why I did this. If you want to work from home anywhere, just using a phone or a laptop, perfect. You can do it. Single mom, single dad, whatever. Anybody can do this. You don't want to go to work and you just want to, do your own thing. You want to work at the beach. You want to work out of your car. You want to work out of a Starbucks. I don't care. You can do it anywhere. Retirement is around the corner, and you need reliable income stream. Right here, my friend. That was me. Right here. So, you're a busy parent looking for a flexible, family-friendly business. Yes, there you go. Single parent. I brought this up already, and it's so perfect. It's absolutely perfect. You've tried other opportunities and struggled to see real results. That was me again. I tried all those scams. Young 14-year-old standing next to a Lamborghini or some shit. I bought into every single one of them. I spent thousands of dollars on these stupid things, and it was young. I wasn't even. That's not even an excuse. I was just stupid. I wanted to get rich quick, and that's all it was. You want a step by step that takes you all the guesswork out of online business. Right here, right here, right here. It's everything you can possibly think of. Built-in AI tools to help save you time. Gosh, let's just go through this for a quick second. There's a bunch of testimonials. You can be legacy builders, authorized, so you can sell these for 100% profit anytime you want. Your fully licensed business model. 10 proven digital programs. That's 10 streams of income. 10. And you can build on top of that, by the way. We also teach you how to build your own digital product, so you can sell that along with this. Let's go. Let's see. Not just building a business, you're unlocking a global market. Oh, that was huge for me because this right here, my 9-to-5 business, I'm a 50-mile radius, about this big. That's all I can do. I can't go any farther or I lose money. I got guys out there, they're too far from home, so too much windshield time, and they spend gas, everything, just way too much time. So I have to limit it to about 50 miles. So this global, I can sell this product or any of my products anywhere I want, anytime I want. It's unbelievable, amazing. So huge factor for me, and it was this. We also have in Spanish, and it's so great. So if they buy it and they want the Spanish version, all you go to the top of the website and you click, I want it in Spanish. The whole website converts instantly to Spanish. You can click the button again, goes right back to English. Let's see, everything you need to build income impact, and legacy in one place. Okay, I'm going to go through a little bit of this with you because it's super important, and some of the factors and the reasons why I jumped into this program. And live mentorship and support, oh, it's everywhere. We have 59,000 people in our school group, and you can literally ask any question anytime, and you'll get an answer from probably 5 or 6 people. They're so friendly. Everyone's so nice. I have so many friends off this. It was worth the money I spent alone in friendships across the world. It's incredibly amazing. Legacy Content Vault, instant access to done-for-you trainings, assets designed to create clarity, momentum, and income without fluff. I say this in my video all the time because it was very important to me that I did not get into something that was fluff and bullshit. I am not good with bullshit. I can pick it out and call it out immediately, and I don't like it. It doesn't make me happy. I want to be happy now in the second half of my life. I don't want to be mean and, well, mean. I don't want to be mean. So that was very important. There is no fluff. There's no bullshit. You ask a question, you get a real answer, not a fake fluffy one that makes you go off into the sunset thinking you got everything you need. No, it's real life. Like, stop doing this and do this. I looked at your content, Chris, and I saw this. Why don't you try doing this instead? Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. No problem. Come back and tell me how it went. That's just a tiny little piece of what I'm talking about. So, it's hard for me sometimes to say I have a hard time why people aren't just clicking on this and taking off, because you can see, I know you don't get a lot of this until you click on my blueprint, but I'm giving you little pieces of my blueprint right now, and that should help you make a decision. See, 5, that's the founder. The 5 legacy builder programs explained. So yeah, all the different programs down here, everything you need. Pick and choose the one you want, one that's best for you. Again, it gives you 10 streams of income right away if you get the biggest business, and that's the one I bought. The bundle pack right here. This one's Spanish, but yeah, the bundle pack. This one, yeah. This is the one I bought, both Spanish and English, and lowest price I've ever paid to start a business, turnkey. I've started probably 10 to 15, maybe more businesses in my life. And this is definitely the lowest I've ever paid for a turnkey business. I've had restaurants, I've had temporary agencies, I've had landscape companies, exterior companies, building companies. I've been all over. I was brought up as a jack of all, master of none, and I took advantage of that. I grew up on a farm, so most of you know, farmers grow up, they have to fix things with nothing. We MacGyver everything. Yeah, like this is just wanted to touch base and bring you into my world, and how, I mean, I'm having fun. I mean, all these people I know. Well, Wendy right here is my mentor, if you will, the one who was me to you. You know, she just fantastic. She has blown the F up. Like, she is on the website. I mean, not only here, I think she's, oh yeah, right here, smashing it. She made $39,000 plus in her first 30 days. She crushed me. I mean, but she was a stay-at-home at the time, so she put all of it. She was doing this for like 8 to 10 hours plus a day just to get it off the ground. And now she's been, where'd she just come from? She just talked to her the other day, and she just came from Costa Rica. That's where I was having a brain cramp, sorry. She came from Costa Rica. She worked for 2 hours a day, just made a couple videos while she was there. Just absolutely crushing it. She's been doing this a couple of years longer than I have. But that's what I mean. I bought in to her program 2 years after she started it. It's still cranking. Just amazing. It's just amazing. Like you read all this stuff. All this information and more is in my blueprint. That's right down there. Just check it out. It's right down in the bio. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, it'll be in the description. We've gone over a lot of this, but I don't want to give away all the goodies. You got to get the blueprint, and you got to figure it out for yourself. Like nobody can make you do something. Oh, here's that button. Watch in Spanish right there. So, just incredible stuff. I want you to take some time and grab the blueprint in my description or in my bio, depending on which social media you're on. So it's free, no obligation, just tells you more and more about this, gives you so much more. There's videos in there, all sorts of stuff. So check it out. I'm going to leave you at that. I'll make some more videos about different stuff. Some of these testimonials over here. This guy, awesome guy. He it's right there, blue collar, awesome guy. Logan. We met and chatted a few times, and he's just killing it right now. He was in construction, just behind on his bills. They were struggling, behind on truck payments, stuff like that. It's all in here, but it just an amazing story. I can't wait to be this. Like, he's also been in it for a couple of years longer than me. I've heard of her. I don't know her though, and I don't know her at all. But looks like 2 jobs, went from 2 jobs to over 100K. Nice. So anyway, I'm kind of just rambling now, just to trying to give you some teasers. I want you to be successful, and I want you to change your life, and I want you to go on vacation whenever you want, and I want you to build your retirement, and I want you to give the 2 right up there to your 9 to 5 and live your life, spend more time with your kids, and it's all right here. I mean, I don't, you'll notice you go through my other videos, I don't edit much. I want this to be raw and real. It's raw for me. I'm home today because it's actually pouring outside, and I'm an exterior company, so it got a little wet out there, so I cut it short, and I was like, what am I going to do now? I'm going to go build my other business, and here I am. So that's enough for me rambling on and on and on. Go down there, check it out. So much information, and it's so easy to do. Where is it? So easy. Plug and play out. Plug in, done for you, automated system. Get expert coaching and mentorship. And it's so 59,000 people, guys. 59,000 people in our school. Oh, it's right. Look at these. All the webinars that we do all the time. Like every Monday for the bundle that I bought. They have a big Monday group meeting and discussion, new trainings, new products coming out, new people that are getting involved. Hint, Alex. Yeah, getting involved with our whole program. He's going to help us revamp and drive this even further, because in the year 2026, this industry will be worth trillions, I guess, of dollars. You can look that up on Forbes for the real details, but read it the other day. It was 2030, by the way. This was predicted to be a $1 trillion industry by 2030, and it's just growing so fast that it's now 2026. It'll be a $1 trillion industry. Why would you not want to be part of a $1 trillion industry? Guess what's not going anywhere? Digital. Guess what you can sell in digital? products, digital products, your own company. Sell to the world, sell to anybody you want. 100% profit, all yours. You don't share with anybody. No monthly fees. What else? Oh, nothing. No fees. Okay? I don't even run ads. I don't believe that Wendy, my mentor, and a lot of these people do not run ads. This is almost 90 to maybe more than that percent organic. And I've grown my TikTok alone from zero, started all of my social media, started all of them, all the platforms at zero when I started this because I wanted it to grow and strictly be for this company. So I'm up to almost 4,600 on TikTok in less than 60 days. So just saying. And guess what 4,600 people does? Gives you a lot better odds of selling than when you have 100. Just saying. Come on. Right down there. It's just a blueprint. It's free. No obligation. Check it out. And I hope I see you on the other side. Look me up. I told you. I'll help you out. I'll do whatever it takes to get you off the ground. Okay? All right. I'll see you next time. Love you guys. Peace out.